Hello students, today we will discuss about 3D figures, that means this topic mensuration, and in this topic we will study about cuboid, cube, cylinder and cone, sphere and hemisphere. I have seen some of the students face much problem during study of these figures and they learn formula again and again and they forget it. Therefore, now one by one we will take it. First of all, we are taking that is cuboid. In case of cuboid, you can take the example of your room, or otherwise I am having this figure cuboid. This figure you are looking at as a cuboid, and this cuboid, first of all we will count its faces. It consists how many faces? That means first face, another second, the face before me is third, and fourth face you are looking at, and right hand side that is fifth face and sixth face. There are 6 faces. Some of them may be rectangle, others may be square. And in case of vertices, we will count, that means corners. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 vertices. And in case of edges are, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and these, like this. They are 12 edges. It means just whenever you are sitting in your room, you can say जो 4 पिलर्स होते हैं आपके, 4 पिलर्स होते हैं, फिर फ्लोर की लाइंस होती हैं, तो वो एजिस कहलाते हैं आपके. Just you have seen in case of cuboid, that is number of edges are, edges is equal to 12. Faces, in case of cuboid, faces are, that means 6 faces, and vertices are, that means corners, 8 corners. And with this help you will see V plus F is equal to E plus 2. Put the values. V means what is this? That is 8 plus 6 is equal to, as is 12 plus 2. That is 14. It is also called Euler's formula. These alphabets may be changed here and there, but this is always true in case of 3D figures. Now we are going to find out its surface area, that is surface area of cuboid. Now in case of cuboid, we are calculating the total surface area of cuboid. That means total surface area of cuboid. I have told you 6 faces. Now अब आप थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल लीजिए अपने रूम का. जब टोटल सरफेस एरिया निकालेंगे तो सबसे पहले आप देखिए आपके फ्रंट में जो वॉल है आपके रूम की, यदि हम इस वॉल का एरिया निकालें और वो क्यूबॉइड है, तो दैट मीन्स लेंथ इनटू हाइट विल बी इट्स एरिया. और जब आप बैठे हुए हैं और आपके बैक साइड में जो वॉल है उसका एरिया कितना होगा, उसकी भी लेंथ है और हाइट है, तो लेंथ इंटू हाइट, उसका भी LH होगा, लेंथ इंटू हाइट। ये फॉर्मूला जस्ट उससे बना है जैसे रेक्टेंगल का एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल होता है, L एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल दैट इज वन फेस लाइक दिस LB। तो जो हमारे फ्रंट की दीवार है और बैक साइड की दीवार है दैट इज लेंथ इंटू हाइट हो गया उसका एरिया LH। तो इट मींस दिस विल बी LH प्लस LH 2LH। अब आप ध्यान से देखिए, जो आपके लेफ्ट हैंड में वॉल है, जो विड्थ वाली वॉल है जिसकी चौड़ाई है कुछ और ऊंचाई है, दैट मींस विड्थ एंड हाइट। तो उस दीवार का, उस वॉल का एरिया कितना होगा आपका, दैट इज ब्रेड्थ इनटू हाइट BH। और जो राइट हैंड पे विड्थ वाली वॉल होगी आपके, तो दैट विल बी आल्सो BH, दैट मींस 2BH plus now count the area of floor. Area of floor in itself is a rectangle, therefore area of floor will be length into breadth, that means LB, and area of ceiling, छत का area, that means length into breadth, that is LB, it will become 2LB। and taking 2 as common, you can write this formula LB plus BH plus HL। Therefore, no requirement to cram this formula।